Good morning. We're about to start talking about the unit that we're going into, which is Unit 1, Medical Investigation. So this video is going to help you with your notes and just to help that audio type of learning style. So in Unit 1, students engage in forensic science and medical examination investigations to explore biological and forensic science careers and gain experience in experimental design and data analysis. So through the investigation of a mysterious death, students learn about biomolecules and their role in determining identity, which you previously talked about in biology, human anatomy and physiology, interconnectedness of systems. And when I say systems, I'm talking about body systems, things of that nature. Students are also going to practice synthesizing multiple forms of data to draw conclusions and have opportunities to develop professional communication skills. Because I told you this class also does connect with careers. So the first lesson we're doing is lesson 1.1, which is investigating the scene. And our first activity is called a sketchy scene. So the goals of this lesson is to document a potential crime scene using sketches, measurements, and photography. Follow established protocols for collecting evidence, record and analyze evidence to evaluate a potential crime scene. And then the lesson plan associated with it is today you will be introduced to Anna Garcia, who is a 20-year-old college student who was found dead in her advisor's laboratory. As you work in your lab journal, you will view a video call from the police commissioner on the case. You will observe the scene of her death and make a proper forensic scene sketch. Catalog evidence that may be valuable found at the scene and research the duties of a biomedical scientist. You will begin compiling an electric case report on Anna Garcia's death that will be submitted at the end of lesson 1.1. So the agenda for today is during the warm-up, I'm going to show you how to create a Google document or folder to house our warm-ups. All warm-ups, unless it is a discussion post, will remain there for the semester. You're going to answer the following question. What is a crime scene? If you are a detective, what pieces of evidence would you be looking for at a crime scene? So, think about First 48 or other shows like Criminal Minds, CSI, things of that nature that you usually see. Of course, I'm going to show you how to access Pltw in the class, which is what you'll need, and that's like our platform of how to get your information and things of that nature. Get your logins, SEO, things of that nature. For asynchronous, you're going to take notes on activity 1.1.1, and I'm also going to attach the Google slideshow because I know some people are more visual learners like myself, so you'll have the video version of the notes, but you'll also have the actual slideshow.